Good evening, everyone. My voice is, am I audible? Am I
Yes, sir.
audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah, good evening.
So, good evening. Okay. So, as already informed, today we have this program. Okay. So, hope you all excited to see the program and involve in the program. Okay. So, just forget about your current position or your age, your gender. You may be female or male, or you may be whatever your position. Okay, just forget everything. Just think that you are a just like small children. Okay, so just come to that mood. Okay, just forget about all your. You may be working in some big companies, or you may have a very big salary, or you may be not working. You don't have any salary. Okay, all are equal only here. Okay, everyone is same. So just don't have any shyness or hesitance, right? I don't want to speak or I don't want to answer. Okay, so it is not a real time interview. Just enjoy it. Okay, just it's a experience. Just take it as an experience. That's all. Otherwise, yeah, we have prize also. Yes, first prize, second prize, third prize also is there. Yeah, first prize is 250, not 200. Second prize is 150, not 100. Third prize is 50 only. Okay, so the price is based on it's you may be answered, but we have to see the quality of answer also. So when I ask a question, please tell me your name first of all. Okay, who and all wants to answer. So today you see the people joined also less. I think why, I don't know. So yesterday by this time 20 people was there. Today only 15 people has joined. So I think they got scared, or I don't know actually. Okay, they want to avoid, or I don't know exactly. So so nothing to worry. Okay, if you're able to answer, you can answer. Otherwise, no, that's all. Otherwise, you give whatever the answer is coming in your mind. Okay, already I given the question also. Just the question answer everything you given. If you want, you can see the question and answer. That also you can do. Okay, that is up to you. Because in the interview, the interviewer will not see whether you're by watching your telling or by your telling from your mind. Okay, that is up to you. You should answer. That's all. We can do a lot of things even in interview also. We can keep something and we can. So just don't plan like that. I'm telling it optionally. I'm telling. Some people will try that also, right? So genuinely, if you study and if you answer, that is great actually. If you are not able to do, at least you manage by seeing somewhere at least what. Because the interviewer wants answer, that's all, right? So they want answer. They will ask the question, you want to answer, that's all. Otherwise it is not like if you're not answered, he is not going to do anything. Okay, okay, no job, you will go for the next interview, that's all. Nothing to worry. So no need of scaring or any fearing and all. Or you just handle, you just involve very well. I request everyone, try to involve. Even if you don't know, you try to give some answer. If you know, you give some answer. If you don't know, you give some answer. Okay, something you speak at least. Okay, so that that blockage will come out from that mind. Okay, many of them are very good, but while attending the interview, the mind will get blocked, right? At that time, they will lose the confidence, and they will, even the known questions also they are answering wrong. Even if you know also, one answer if you told said wrong also, then the next everything will become collapse. So that should not happen. Please be strong, and whether it is pass or fail, that's all. Nothing to worry in that, that's all, right? So whether he is going to select or he is not going to select, that's all. So nothing is going to happen very big thing and all, right? So let us, shall we go for the first question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. So first question, let me ask from 108 interview questions. Okay. I will ask from 108 interview questions. So just I will copy paste here, whatever is there. Just you can. So who and all wants to answer, you can answer. So you please tell your name first of all. One by one, you can tell your answers. Whatever you know, you can tell. Okay. So before telling the answer, please tell the name. You tell the name. Who and all wants to tell first of all, you tell all the name. Then one by one, you can answer. So everyone can answer as possible. Okay. So what who and all is telling the name, you all can answer. You tell the name, then you answer. Okay. Okay, let's start. So this is the question. What is the difference between Informatica Power Center and Informatica Cloud?
Yeah, Vijay,
So,
it is.
yeah, Vijay, number one, Vijay. And again, who wants to answer?
Maltesh.
Yeah, Maltesh. Okay, okay. I'll just Vijay. Okay, Maltesh. Who wants to answer? All should answer. Anyone else want to answer?
Rajkumar.
Pradeep. Okay, Rajkumar. Then anyone else?
Naveen.
Naveen wants to answer. Okay, fine.
Janaki.
Janaki wants to answer. Fine.
Shruti, sir.
Shruti wants to answer. Fine. So, yeah, anyone? Shivaraman. Shivaraman. Fine. Okay, anyone else? Rekha wants to answer. Fine. I think everyone wants to answer, right? Yeah, Pradeep. Yeah, this is what actually that spirit should be there always. Whether you know or not, just simply try. Whether we don't know the result, first of all, we try. Okay. Anyone else wants to answer? So I think some 10 people have given the name. So we have 18 people in the group. So, okay, let's start with the 10 people. Remaining people also wants to answer. Let them answer after this name. Up to Pradeep, whatever is there. Next, if someone wants to answer. So the answer should be like you can take maximum 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes. That's all. It's not that simply you can tell. Okay. So try to give, but try to avoid the points whatever is told already. But if you know only that means you can repeat also. There is no any hard and fast tool and all. Okay. Yeah. Now our great Vijay is going to answer. Yeah, Vijay, you can start.
Yeah. IICS is Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services. It is a cloud-based integration platform. We can migrate the data from one source to another source. Similarly, in Power Center also, it provides the same functionality as IICS, but it is having some advanced features like Power Center task. That means we can able to import all the mappings which are available in Power Center to IICS. Similarly, there is synchronization task is available where different databases available in different countries can able to synchronize them. And in connection wise, IICS is very easy to use. All our work can be done in the browser itself. In browser UI itself, we can able to do the data integration part, and whereas in Power Center, we need to install the server and the client tool. In IICS, only that service agent is need to be installed.
Fine. Okay. So almost you covered some 2 minutes you told, I think. Okay. The next person can start. Maltesh can.
Naveen, sir. Yeah, sir.
Yeah, Maltesh.
Both Informatica Power Center and IICS both are ETL tools.
Yeah.
Whereas we will be storing the metadata in Informatica Power Center, we will be storing the metadata in the repository. Whereas in IICS, we will be storing the metadata in the Informatica Cloud. Will not be having access to get the metadata in IICS, but we can get the metadata from the Informatica Power Center. And IICS will support many source and targets which are on cloud, and even on permis too, whereas Power Center, it will be supporting only on permis, it won't support for on cloud. And we have more features when we compare in IICS, when we compare to Informatica Power Center.
Yeah, fine. Okay, next person can tell the answer. Next person, who is that? So Pradeep can tell the answer. Yeah, Pradeep, you can start. Pradeep. Yeah, hope Pradeep. Okay, next Rajkumar. Please answer.
Yeah. IIC is nothing but Informatica Intelligent Cloud Service. It's a cloud-based integration platform, and whereas it will perform on the on-premises like a cloud environment.
Yeah.
And whereas ETL, that is Power Center, will be in the store in the repository. Whereas the connection, coming to connection, it's cloud is a database, cloud database. And whereas cloud will be installed in the server client and the server and client tools in the.
Fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the next person is Naveen. Naveen can answer.
Hi, sir. Good evening, sir. My name is Naveen.
Yeah.
So, I will tell 5 few points about difference between Power Center and IICS.
Yeah.
Coming to Power Center, it is a desktop-based like on-premise database. Like it is interface that is it is installed on users' machines, and it requires mainly server and client application.
Yeah.
And coming to IICS, it is a cloud-based application, like a cloud-based solution. It provides like functionality same as like Power Center, and it can be accessed via like it can be only accessed through internet, and it has a it is a web-based user interface.
Yeah.
And users can access through a web browser. Coming to Power Center, the Power Center has its installation and maintenance. It requires installation and maintenance by the client or customer, and it required database installation only. And like in IICS, we maintained Informatica, and there is no database required. Why? Because of it is a cloud based. We saved everything on cloud. And the coming to cost of the Power Center is it's expensive. More compared to IICS, it's more expensive. It's expensive because it requires some hardware like software. It run on premise. Coming to IICS cost of the IICS, it's a cloud-based application. It's a more cost is more cost effective because it eliminates need for hardware and software infrastructures. Coming to Power Center, its connectivity. Power Center connectivity is it connects to on-premise database, and coming to IICS connectivity is too many cloud data sources are there. Like
by this time
Snowflake.
closes, you can stop. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. I think okay. Your good name is Naveen, right?
Naveen Kumar, sir.
Naveen, right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Yeah, Janaki, you can start.
Good evening.
Good evening. Yeah. Please.
Informatica Intelligence Cloud Service is a cloud-based integration.
Okay.
IICS help us integrating and synchronize all data and applications.
Okay.
Cloud environment, it provides a similar functionalities as Power Centers in a better way and can be accessed via the internet.
Okay.
Hence, in IICS, there is no need to install any client applications on the personal computer. server, all the supported applications can be accessed from the browser, and the
Okay.
task can be
Yeah.
developed through the browsers. AI.
Yeah.
In a Informatica client,
Hmm.
applications need to be installed on our server. That's it.
Fine. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. You can come. Shruti, you can start.
Sir,
Yeah, please. Yeah, start.
sir, Informatica Intelligent Cloud Service is a cloud-based integration platform, sir. And this one synchronize account data and import data. So
Okay. Okay.
in Power Center, the metadata is created in repository.
Okay.
You will have full access with that metadata.
Yeah.
But in IICS, metadata is maintained by the vendor and it is not accessed that repository in IICS.
Yeah.
So IICS helps us to integrate, synchronize all data and applications. It is a cloud-based, and in Power Center, it is same functionality, but in this Power Center, we need to install any client applications.
Okay.
In IICS, we no need to install any client applications. We directly access from the browser, the support of the browser.
Okay.
And there are different connections in cloud bases. And here they have different connections in IICS, and they keep update.
Okay.
And in Power Center, there also we can create the relational connectors like Oracle, SQL Server, ODBC, and Teradata.
Yeah.
That's it, sir.
Fine, fine, fine. Yeah, good try. Okay, next, Shivaraman, please.
Okay, this is
Yeah.
Shivaraman.
Yeah, please. Yeah, please start.
Like Informatica Power Center is on premises. Like Informatica, like Intelligent Cloud Service, it is ISS, like it is a cloud one. In the ISS help to integrate the integrate the synchronizations all the data and the application read on your premises and the cloud environments.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hence, in the ISS, there is no need to install any client applications on the personal computer or like server.
Yeah.
All the supported applications can be accessed from the browsers, and the task can be developed by through the browser UI. In the Power Center, the client application need to install in our server.
Okay.
The different connection we have to connect with all the cloud databases. Like the server and the client tools need to install in the Power Center. Like security need to install in the ISS. In the ISS, the we are different data have to like synchronize the data and like the data like move from the source to target. In the what are they mentioned in the Power Center, like in the what are the relation connections that can be used in the Power Center only. Like in the ISS, there is multiple options have to like third party also is there, and the table also is there. Like different connections are used in the ISS. Through the PAN and other also can to use the connections, and all the and also ISS is the most powerful tool in the ETL one.
Yeah.
And in the client also to have to move every client have to move to the ISS only, because it is upgrade everything. Because some of the disadvantages in the Power Centers and some of the advantages in the Power Center like ISS one. In the ISS, like what are the mappings we have to develop in the Power Centers, then also can import and export in the ISS also.
Yeah.
That is the main thing, and also the synchronizations and the replication tasks.
Yeah.
Some more features in the ISAS one. And
by this time closes, you can stop. Yeah, please tell. Yeah.
In the ISAS, like the cost is also less, and the
Okay. Next, Rekha, please start. Yeah, please, Rekha, you can start.
Good evening, all.
Yeah, good evening.
The main difference is Informatica need to install in our systems. It is an on-premises database. We have to install client database and application related all the databases we have to install before starting the work. In case of IICS, no need to install that much of data, and it will take so much less space and less time, and we can access from anywhere in the world without your personal laptop. In the cloud itself, you can access from anywhere in the world. But in the case of Informatica, you should have your personal laptop with you to carry everywhere. Whatever the information you stored in the databases, if you want to access, you have to take your laptop anywhere, wherever you go. And in taking the space also, IICS take less space to install. In case of Informatica, it will take more space and more data also you can store in your systems.
Fine.
The main difference is that one, I think.
Yeah. Okay, fine. So Pradeep, you can start. Pradeep.
Yeah. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yeah.
So here in Power Center, we don't need internet connection. In IICS, we need internet connection. Actually, IICS is it provides a platform where different applications, products of Informatica are docked in it, where it provides a platform to communicate with different Informatica products like CAI, CDI, CDQ, CAI, like that. And also, it provides a platform to communicate and integrate with the different company products also, like Snowflake, AWS, etc.
Yeah.
So in Power Center, there is no possibility of interacting with different company products.
Yeah.
Like here, repo is maintained by in Power Center through by itself, like Oracle. Here, for IICS itself is responsible to maintain the repository through Informatica Cloud, IICS Cloud.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, fine. So now I think some 10 people have involved. So remaining, anyone wants to answer? We have totally 19 people in the, as of now, 19 is there in the group.
Yeah, hi sir.
Yeah, please. Yeah, please. Yeah.
Yeah, what is the difference between the Power Center and IICS is Power Center is an on-premises data integration and ETL.
Your good name? Your good name?
Yeah, Gopi sir.
Gopi, sorry. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Please go ahead.
On-premises data integration and ETL tool. It is installed and run on the organization infrastructure.
Yeah.
Typically in a data center.
Yeah.
As IICS is on the other hand, it is a cloud-based data integration platform. It operation in the cloud allows the user to design and deploy and management integration process in the cloud environment only. And the connectivity scalability is in Power Center and IICS. In this Power Center, we will suited for the large scale data integration projects within the organization on-premises infrastructure. It offers to reboost connectivity to the various data sources and targets. And same like IICS designed to cloud-based data integration and offers to connect and adapt to specially optimization in the cloud data sources and application. And cost and maintenance in the Power Center and IICS is in this Power Center is an on-premises solution. Power Center requires organizations to handle the hardware procurement and maintenance and software updates. And whereas IICS is a cloud-based service, cloud IICS is a reduces needs to infrastructure management and maintenance.
Okay, please stop. Okay, enough. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So, okay. Anyone else wants to answer for the same question? Okay, fine. Yeah. So we'll go for the next question. Okay. We'll go for the next question. Okay. The next question we can go for is like, yeah. This is the next question. Please, anyone wants to answer it in this list? In this list, someone wants to answer?
Yeah, yes.
Who is
Yes.
this? Who is this?
Janaki.
Yeah, Janaki wants to answer.
sir.
Yeah. Okay. Anyone wants?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Please
Yeah.
tell me the name.
Vijay.
Maltesh.
Yeah. Everyone wants to answer, right?
Naveen,
Yes,
sir.
Shruti, sir.
Yeah. Hope
Naveen.
Naveen wants to answer. Okay. Fine. Then Rajkumar wants to answer or not?
You're on.
Yeah.
He wants to answer. If
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
if you know the answer, or you can try. Not a
Yeah,
problem.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Pradeep. Pradeep wants to answer or not?
No, sir.
Okay. Fine. Maltesh wants to answer or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Shivaraman wants to answer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. Okay. Rekha wants to answer. Okay. No. Pradeep wants to answer. No. Gopi wants to answer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So we can start with Vijay. Yeah, please, Vijay, you can start. What is runtime environment in IICS?
Yeah, runtime environment. Here we are having two environments available in IICS. The first one will be the default one. It will be hosting by the Informatica IICS itself.
Yeah.
And the other one will be the security agent, which we installed. After that, above all components are running.
Okay.
It will provide the services such as mass ingestion, data integration server, OA data collector, common integration components. Like that, it will provide all the services.
Yeah.
It will make us to perform the data integration activities, so that it will help us to extract the data from our source, and based upon the business requirement, we can make the transformation, and so that we can load to the target database. From that, reporting team can extract the report.
Okay. Enough. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. The next question from okay. Maltesh can
Yes, sir.
start. Please start, Maltesh.
It is runtime environment. It is an implementation environment where we are going to implement the data integration tasks, such as like creating of mapping task, and where we are going to move the data from source to a target. It is a server based on data that get arranged while processing only.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay. Now Rajkumar can start.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And in runtime environment, we have two environments.
Yeah.
And one is for default, another is there is a security agent in that monitor application integration console, and administrator. So after all the above components are running, and we need to check in the security agent whether running or not. Then we can go for the second environment, whether it be running the environment.
Okay. That's it. Okay. Yeah. Naveen can start, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Here we have two types of environments. The first one is the like default one, and the second one is we only created while installing the security agent, IICS security agent.
Yeah.
And first we need to check security agent is running or not, whether it is going before going into these two environments, whether it is running or not, while we are checking. And after in IICS, it runs Informatica cloud infrastructure, which includes like server storage, networking resources. Infrastructure is managed by Informatica, and also using runtime environment in IICS. IICS by organizations can perform like various data integration tasks like data synchronization, like large volume of data, like data warehousing. It is in cloud based, like manage the total manage
fine,
the total
fine.
environment.
Okay. Next, Janak, you can start, please.
Runtime environment is an execution platform that runs a data integration or application integration task.
Okay.
We must have at least one runtime environment setups to run the task in our organization. Basically, it is a server upon which
Okay.
staged while processing. We can choose either the process via the Informatica server.
Okay.
Our local services, which stages behind our firewalls. There are two types of runtime environments. One is hosted agent and one is server agent.
Fine. Okay, fine. Yeah, Shruti, please, you can start.
Sir,
Yeah, please
here
start.
we have two runtime environments.
Yeah.
So first one is default, another is created while installing the security agent in IICS. So in that security agent, we should check it is running or not. And with this second running environment should be running, and the implementation environment that implement the data integration or application integration tasks. It is a execute platform that run a data integration. Here two types of runtime environments, that is Informatica Cloud Hosted Agent and Informatica Cloud Secure Agent. And here environment runtime environment. In this, we have to install token by logging in IICS, by selecting administration, and then clicking runtime environments.
Yeah.
There.
Okay. Fine. Yeah. Shivaraman, please, you can start.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like and runtime environment is the execution platform that can run in the Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services aspect, such as the task and the task flows. You must have at least one of runtime environment in each organization, that so that the user is in organization can be run the task. A runtime environment consists one or more secure agent. A secure agent is a lightweight program that can run all tasks and enable the secure communication across the firewalls between your organizations and the Informatica Intelligence Cloud Services. You can set up like runtime environment in the two ways, like use the Informatica Cloud Host Agent and create one or more secure agent groups. When you are when you are used the host agent, you can run the task in the Informatica Cloud hosting facility. The Informatica maintains the host agent runtime environment and agents. Furthermore,
Fine.
You can download and install.
Yeah. Okay. So fine. Yeah. Okay. Gopi wants to answer, or we'll go next question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Wants to answer? Yeah, please.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, please.
The runtime environmental is refers to infrastructure and resources that data integration jobs, tasks, and processes are executed. When you design and schedule data integration workflows in IICS, there are executed in the runtime environment. The runtime environment in IICS can be characterized into two types, mainly cloud runtime environmental and security runtime environmental. In that cloud runtime environmental is the default option to run the data integration task in the IICS. It provides the integration with the data cloud data sources, applications, and services. Whereas secure agent runtime environmental, also known as the on-premises agent, allows to organizers to execute a data integration task within the own infrastructure. This this agent acts as a secure communication channels between the IICS cloud service and on-premises systems. This pretty much.
Okay, fine. We'll go for the next question. So the next question I wanted to make is like, so the question here is like, what is mapping task flow in IICS? This is the question. So the same question can be, you can relate with our power center workflow, no? That and this you can, if you want, you can relate. Okay. So you can relate with the task flow in IICS and workflow in power center, right? So that you can, if you want, you can relate. Otherwise, whatever you know about task flow, you can tell about that. So with this, so who and all wants to answer? Vijay wants to answer.
Yeah.
No, if you don't want to answer, you can say no problem.
Yes.
If you want to answer, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Maltesh, you want to answer?
Yes, sir.
Pradeep, you want to answer? No. Rajkumar wants to answer?
Yes.
Okay. Naveen wants to answer?
Pradeep.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Pradeep also wants to answer. Yeah, fine. Yeah. Naveen wants to answer?
Yes, sir.
Janaki, Shruti, Shivaraman?
Yes, sir.
Everyone wants to answer?
Yes,
Yeah. Rekha madam, you want to answer?
Yes.
Fine. Okay. Pradeep? Okay. Gopi? Okay.
We can remove that, sir. Only one Pradeep is there.
Yeah, I think yeah, correct. Yes. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Correct. Fine. Then only 9 people is trying to answer. Remaining 10 people are not trying to answer. So Naresh Babu.
Sir.
You are not ready to answer anything?
Sir, I'm recently joined.
Recently joined, right? Very good. That's okay. Okay. It's fine. If you're not okay, you are very new, then you
Yes, sir.
fine, no issue. Okay. Then who else is there? And then Srinivasulu. Srinivasulu don't want to answer?
Yeah. Hi, good evening.
Yeah,
I'm
good
also
evening.
new.
So you are
I'm
also
also
new.
new.
Fine,
Yes.
Okay. Then Rajkumar Chira. Rajkumar, I think 2 Rajkumar is there, right? Or one?
No, only one Rajkumar.
Rajkumar Chira is the only one Rajkumar. Fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ramachandra.
Hi.
Hi,
Hari.
Ramachandra. You don't want to answer anything? No? You are
No,
also new?
yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine. No problem. Yeah, no issue. I just wanted to understand why you don't want to answer. That's all. So some people, they hear the intention here is to open the whatever you want. At least you want to have a practice of talking. That's all. Vishwa, what is that? Vishwanath. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm also new, sir.
No problem. Fine. Vishwanath, if you don't want to answer, no issue. You are a new, no problem. Fine. So so the question here is, what is mapping? Mapping task flow in IICS. You can relate with the workflow in Power Center. That is the question. So our Vijay will start now, as usual. Yeah. Please, Vijay, you can start.
Yeah. Mapping is the basics where we can map the data from source to target. Like we can map from different sources. For example, from Oracle to Oracle, it is possible. Oracle to Snowflake. Similarly, from Snowflake to Oracle, and Oracle to Teradata. Like that, there are so many possible ways to map the data according to the business requirement. In real time, there may be a retail customer where the cashier will enter the details manually. We will get the data in the form of OLTP. From there, we will transform the data and manipulate the data. From there, we will load the data into OALT. That means analytical data. From that data, they will take the
What is that? What is that? OLAP,
OLAP.
OLTP. Correct.
Online analytical
Okay. Okay.
From there,
OLTP
they
means.
will. Yeah, from there they will make the decision from.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
That
So,
will provide the idea to
mm,
where there is profit and where there is loss. That kind of idea then they will get.
mm, mm,
For scheduling a mapping, we need to create a task in the IICS. There we can mention when the particular mapping is successful, we can give our email ID. When it is failed, we can give our email ID so that we can get the notification when the particular mapping is successful. We can make that mapping once in a day or every 4 hours. Like that we can schedule that mapping according to our requirement.
Okay.
Like that it will.
Yeah, fine. Okay, next Maltish can start, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Mapping is same in both in Power Center and as well as in IICS also. In mapping, just we are going to move the data from source to a target by using different sort of transformations. Whereas in IICS, without using here we don't need to have any mapping task. Without using mapping task, we can move the data. Whereas in Power Center, we have to create a section and workflow. In mapping task, just we are going to schedule at what time we need to run the jobs and all. And we are going to use a mapping task to call the mappings. And it is same as creating the section in Power Center. It is very mandatory to create the sections in the Power Center. Task flow is like it is a parent of mapping task. In task flow, we are going to use many mapping tasks. We are going to connect many mapping tasks and we are going to run the job.
Fine. Okay. Pradeep, please can start.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah.
In mapping, here we define the data flow.
Okay.
Based on the project scenario, job scenario. Here, business logic is applied in the mapping.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here in Power Center, we have mapping component, session component, workflow. In session, like session task, command task, email task will be there. Then after workflow, in IICS, there is no session type of scenario. Directly here, workflow is there. That workflow is called as mapping task.
Okay, fine. That's great. Yeah, Rajkumar, can start, please.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, mapping is nothing but we need to transfer the data from source to target based upon our file like table or flat file.
Fine.
And mapping is nothing but moving the data from source to target by using various transformations. And we can use various transformations like filter or anything. Based upon that, we have to do mapping.
Fine. Okay. Yeah, tried very good. Yeah, fine. Then Naveen, please can start. Okay, Janaki can.
Mapping
Naveen.
is map.
Yeah.
Yes. Mapping means like it represents flow of data, flow of data between source and target. And the combination of source and target and transformation objects tell like server how to read and data transform the to load the data. And transformation mapping are it objects like in mapping that move and change data between source and target. Coming to map task flow in IICS, map task flow is like very important in IICS. Like map task flow is mapping. It's called like mapping. Mapping is a
just 1 minute. I think try to relate with the Power Center workflow also. I told already. I think no one has told in that perspective. I think okay. So try to relate with the power
Sir, I
center.
told in power center manner, sir. Mapping is it's like
You
flow
told.
data between source and target.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Please continue. Yeah.
Yes, it's like it's very important. Mapping task flow is called mapping task is called mapping. Mapping is it represents the flow of data and transformation logic. For example, databases files, different type of files like target objects to which data will be loaded into transformation.
Yeah.
The mapping includes the transformations, expressions,
Okay.
and business logics, and manipulates and it cleans the data during compared to ETL process. Here also same as like that. In IICS also source and target, it is mapping task for the data which will be extracted and target where the transform data will be loaded to these source to target.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Then Janaki, please you can start. What do you have the idea of what is mapping or mapping task or workflow in power center? In that perspective, whatever you know, you can tell.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mapping is the basic flow.
Yeah.
Where we can move the data from source to target. It can be a type of sources like the flat file, Amazon S3, Snowflake, Oracle, etc.
Yeah.
In Informatica, we have to load the tables in mapping, source and target. Then we create the mapping by giving the names.
Okay.
And the workflow also, we have to give the same name.
Okay. Yeah, Shruti, you can please start.
Mapping is used to move the data from one source to other target. It can be any type like flat files, Amazon S3, Snowflake, and Oracle. And source depends on our requirement. By using different transformation, you can transform however you want. And you can filter and rank by different transformations. And here task flow similar to the workflow of the power center. Task flow regulates the execution order. We have workflow in power center. Similarly, we have task flow in IICS. Task flow is parenting the mapping like workflow in power center.
Yeah.
Tasks are the individual component of the workflow that perform a specific functions. Like task may extract data from a database, transfer the data in some way, and load it into the data warehouse.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Shivaraman, please can.
Yeah. In the power center and the IICS, the mapping is saved by the M_. And like mapping means it is the basic thing how the data flow from the source to target. In the mapping means like we are creating the designing how the data flow from like source to target. Here in the source in like different database have to take and get the data and extract the data, and the transformations like we are using the business, like what type of a business is there in the transformations, we use the logic and load the data into the target.
Okay.
Same thing you have to use in the power center and the IICS one. In the power center, like here the mapping section and the workflow and the monitoring. In the IICS, like here's the mapping sections and the task and task flow.
Okay. Fine. Yeah, please, Rekha. Do you want to answer?
Yeah.
Yeah, please. Yeah.
Mapping is nothing but transferring the data from source to target by using different transformations. In creating the mapping is very easy in IICS, but by comparing Informatica, in Informatica we have to create session task before creating mapping. Then only we can able to create. Then only we can able to create mapping. But in case of IICS, to create session tasks directly, we can map the data source to target.
Acha.
And by using mapping, we can schedule the data also.
Fine. Okay. Do you want to relate anything with the workflow in Power Center? Yeah. Fine. Okay. No issue. Yeah. Gopi wants to answer.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, mapping is a fundamental
Hmm.
concept in a IICS and Power Center. It involves defining the rules and logic to move and transfer and load data from source system to target system. This process typically follows these steps. Source definition. In this step, we define the structure and the metadata of the source data, including the data types and fields and connections to the source system. And the second one is a target definition, similar to the same source definition. Here we have to define the structure and metadata the target type, including the data types and fields and connections to the target system. Transformation logic. This is a mapping task where you define the rules and logic to data transformation. You can perform you can perform various operations like filter transformations, router transformations, sorter transformation, aggregator, joiner, this kind of you can use in this logic. And after that, mapping designer, you can use the mapping designer tool in IICS. You usually design it to the data flow between the source and target system. You link the source and target definitions and apply the transformation logic in the graphical interface. After that validation, once the mapping is designed, needs to valid to ensure that transformation logic and data flow is correct.
Yeah.
And after that execution.
Yeah, fine. Okay, fine.
So after successfully validation, you can execute a mapping to perform the actual data integration and transformation process. This pretty much I'm offering in both Informatica and IICS Power Center.
Yeah, fine. Okay.
Yeah.
We'll go for the next question. So, anyone wants to answer this question? Why would you want to use an application service in Informatica Cloud? Any idea for anyone? It is given in the interview questions actually already. Okay. So that is what I'm asking. Of course, it is not a ordinary question. It's but complicated question only. So it is not. It's a rare topic only. Yeah.
So as of my knowledge, can I tell, sir?
Yeah, please. Yeah. Your good name?
Navin, sir.
Your good name? Please?
Navin, sir.
Navin.
Navin.
Yeah, please. Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah,
application service in Informatica Cloud. It means application service in IICS means reusability and centralized system in the IICS. And centralized system, it is also having in Power Center also, and like flexibility and like business logics and version controls, like errors rectifying handling. These are coming in these are related to application services in Informatica Cloud, sir.
Sir, can I? This is Pradeep.
Please hold it. Okay, that's all.
Yeah, application service is like a API service which is responsible to communicate with different products in the IICS within the Informatica IICS products, and also responsible to communicate with different company products also. This is like acts as like API service, this application service.
Okay.
Hi, sir. Can I tell, sir?
Yeah, please. Yeah. Who is this?
My good name is Sudhir, sir.
Yeah, please, Sudhir. Yeah.
Yeah, an application service in Informatica Cloud, which allows us to quickly and easily connect to different data sources, including both on-premises and cloud-based data sources.
Okay.
It will be useful in hybrid data environment also, sir.
Acha. Okay. Fine.
Yeah,
Hi, sir.
hi, this is
Yeah.
Vijay.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Okay. Anyone wants
Yeah,
to? Yeah.
So,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
application
Anyone?
service in
Who is
Informatica
this?
Cloud.
Your good name?
Yeah,
Good name?
Vijay.
Yeah, Vijay, please. Yeah.
Application service in Informatica provides lot of advantages.
Okay.
It will simplify the integrations.
Okay.
This can make it easier to manage and maintain integration, and it can also improve the performance of the integrations. And also it provides security, which is more essential in Informatica Cloud. It increases the scalability so that we can distribute the workload across multiple servers.
Okay.
This can help to improve. This can also help to improve the performance as well as reliability, and it will reduce the cost of the application service by providing as pay as you go. What we will use, for that only we will pay, like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi, sir.
Yeah. Please, Gopi, you can start. Yeah.
Yeah. The using an application service in a Informatica Cloud can provide us several benefits and advantages of a data integration and management task. And application service is a specific type of a service in IICS that allows you to create and deploy and manage APIs, application programming interfaces, to interact with our integration process and data processes and data. Yeah, some reasons we want to take the application service in the Informatica Cloud. First one, API and enablement, and second one is data access and sharing, and third one is reusability and scalability, and event-driven architecture, automation and monitoring. These all the things for we want to take the reason for application.
Okay, fine. Okay, yeah. So far we have done the quiz program, right? So anyone wants to tell how we can improve and what is the whether it is useful or it is important or not? Somebody can tell, okay? Or what we can change in this, how we can improve this. Anybody can tell some 2 points you can tell, please.
Yeah, sure, Hari. It helps us our confidence as well as the way of thought, where we can, that means like a strength and weakness.
Okay.
And one more thing is just we need to gain the knowledge.
Yeah, fine. Anyone, any point how to improve better than this? What we can do better than this? Any idea? Or it is okay, or we can improve something with this?
It is okay, sir. Other than means mock interview is enough, sir.
Okay, fine. So anyone else wants to tell anything about this, whether it is useful or it isn't?
Yeah,
or we can skip this. We can go to the session only directly, or
it improves self-confidence and presentation skills.
Yeah.
Okay, what we can avoid in this, what we can change in this, or how we can replace some of the parts? Anything? Anyone wants to tell how we can improve this, or what is it?
Repeated sentences are not.
Okay, repeated. So everybody is telling the same. You're telling.
Max, try to.
No. Some questions and all we have to repeat only, because if I ask what is the question, what is the runtime environments, means everybody will tell that, yeah, one is default, one other one is we created in the laptop, right? On premises, one is cloud based, right?
Yes.
So in this we cannot give any varieties in the question. Everybody will be same only, right? So such questions will be repeated only. Yeah. So I'll just, shall we continue this, or we'll go for the session? Because
first you can give priority to the person who answers the first, sir.
Yeah.
Like after giving the question, who will be answering the first, you can give them priority.
Yeah, correct. That's why I taken and put the mark also here, right? So accordingly only I'm asking whoever wants to answer, right? Fine. Okay, we'll go for the start. Okay, I thought to show some. Okay, we'll go for the next. Okay, we'll go for the session now.
Yeah, next also cover the SQL related.
Correct. Because SQL Power Center. So next session we will have SQL. Okay. Next Saturday we will have one more quiz. So the question will be related to more with SQL, as you said. Even if you not asked, that was my plan actually. You told correctly. Yeah, SQL and Power Center, and we'll have the different type of questions. So I just wanted to show what is just a basic quiz, how it will be there. Just you wanted to understand. That's why we did this. Okay.